GB is E. coli. I don't see a whole lot, just a little bit at the bottom. This one, GB, Bacillus subtilis. You see a little at the bottom, going up the top. This is GB, and it's whatever the PA is, I can't remember. And that's very, very cloudy all the way through. And we have this one that is considered an SB, but it's Bacillus subtilis. It's kind of orange. I don't really see anything in there. Even at the top, I don't see anything. I don't see anything at the bottom anywhere. Ooh, this one turned bright pink. This is SB, and it's PA, whatever that is. It is dark, dark pink. It looks like there's a little bit of film on top. It's definitely turned like a dark, dark pink. There's another SB sample that's E. coli. Don't really see too much. I can tell. I don't really see any on the bottom either. This is the LB version. As you can see, there's a little bit of film on top. Looks a little cloudy, but it's not overly cloudy, just subtly. There's also another LB with a Bacillus subtilis. I'm not seeing hardly anything on this one at all. There's another LB. This is E. coli. This is all I'm seeing here. It's just maybe some at the very bottom. You see it's a little cloudy on the bottom down there. We've got some kind of growth there on the bottom, obviously. Okay, moving on to the thio samples with Bacillus subtilis. I'm not really showing anything. Not even a slight film on top either. Slightly changed colors though. There's another sample of the thio E. coli. Not showing any differences there either. Here's another thio. This is the PA. I forget what that stands for. There is a film all across the top of it. You can see it's starting to grow up the glass. There. At the end of this video, I'm going to go ahead and put all three of the samples that are similar all together. This is the OFG. This is the one that was a solid medium that started out dark green. We had to stab the culture in there. As you can see, there's a little bit in there. Growing in the middle, it's pink in color. And that's without the oil. Here's another OFG sample. This is E. coli. You can see the stabbed culture there, slightly twisted pink in the middle. Okay. Here's another OFG sample. This is one with E. coli, and this has the oil on top, so this is anaerobic. So it has no way to grow because there's no oxygen to get to it, so it's anaerobic. And as you can see, there's slight growth in there as well as I'm turning it. You can see it in the middle. This is the OFG sample. This is with oil, and this is the PA. I cannot for the life of me remember what the PA is, but you can see this in there. This is another anaerobic one because it contains the oil on top. These originally dark green. Okay, so starting from the beginning, we have the GB sample, which is a liquid medium. First one, PA, BS, and EC. I'll hold it up against the wall so you can sort of see if there's a whole lot of differences between them. I didn't see very many. And then here is the SB medium with E. coli, PA, and BS. And you can see the color differences definitely between them three. And then we also have these. This is the LB medium, the PA, the Bacillus subtilis, and the E. coli. You can clearly see color differences in those three as well, for sure. And then we have the thiamine. This is the thiamine, PA, Bacillus subtilis, and E. coli. See the color differences in them as well. And then these I'm going to do separately. These were the ones that started green, the solid mediums. This is the E. coli. Both of these are E. coli. One is without the oil, the other is with the oil. So you see the differences there. Okay. And here's the other two to the solid medium. These are both the PAs. The oil is the first one, and without the oil is the second one. You can clearly see they're growing slightly. Okay. All right, and that's that.